The treatment hub was a plan we've always had, and it's taken a few years to get there, but it really addresses some of the issues where there's a need to get rid of material quickly, but also to meet ESG requirements on site. So it takes materials that would have otherwise gone to landfill, treats them through a method that allows them to be reused, and therefore we go into the pyramid of reuse, recycling, and reducing the waste to landfill.
This treatment hub represents years of technical development and operational refinement. It's where environmental science meets engineering excellence. This non-hazardous treatment facility can handle multiple contamination types: hydrocarbons, invasive species, heavy metals, and even asbestos-containing materials. We've designed flexible treatment trains that can be adapted based on contamination type and client requirements.
We're actively looking for the gaps in the market where there aren't these sort of facilities. So, we're looking at the Irish market, we're looking at the south of England. From government looking to upgrade transport hubs, such as the transport centre in Belfast, which we worked on and had a number of contaminants identified. Or if we're looking at working for the fire colleges in England, where they've got PFAS contamination, and it's historic and part of redevelopment of the fire facilities, through to airports, again, who have PFAS issues on any development there. And the big guys that are really chewing up the sites are the data centres. They need massive infrastructure. Where are they going to find infrastructure? Brownfield sites. If you think about any major industry, there will be sites available, and these guys are looking at how do they utilise the sites and how do they deal with historic contamination. There is some very innovative work going on in Birmingham, there's some very innovative work going on in Liverpool, Manchester, and we work very closely with the National Brownfield Institute, working with experts like that and creating hub centres where we look at bringing this to the government and saying, this is what you could be doing. Here's some of the smart stuff we can do. That's probably one of the big things we're looking at to the future.
This facility proves that environmental remediation doesn't have to be a choice between cost and sustainability. With the right technology and the right operational expertise, you can deliver both.
Because of the unknown cost and because of the escalating cost with over £126 a tonne for landfilling hazardous waste, sustainable remediation or fixed cost treatment hubs become very efficient ways to fix the cost on the job. And that's something we can do as a company, which is bring a fixed price.
This facility is designed to scale. We can increase capacity or add new treatment technologies as demand grows. We're constantly evaluating new technologies and treatment methods to stay ahead of environmental challenges. And most importantly, the principles we've proven here can be replicated at other sites across the UK and Ireland.